Hi everyone, to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my Spanakopita grilled cheese croissant melt. Out of this world delicious, that's all I'm going to say. Let's get started. We're going to begin by making the filling in a saucepan that's heating over medium heat. I'm going to saute one onion that's been finely chopped with a little bit of olive oil. Cook it until it's nice and golden, and then go in and add 2 to 3 garlic cloves that have been grated. Warm those through just until they're fragrant, and then add the sliced scallions. Cook them until they've wilted and they're nice and soft. Next, we're going to go in and add 1 pound of baby spinach leaves. Increase the heat to high so that way the spinach wilts and all of that liquid that releases evaporates. And we're also going to season it with some salt and black pepper, a teaspoon of dried dill. Give it a nice mix and turn the heat off. Take it off of the heat and stir in half a stick of cream cheese. Mix it all in until the cream cheese is melted. Next, we're going in with lots of crumbled feta cheese, a little hit of crushed red pepper flakes, and that's it. The Spanakopita filling is ready. Taste it, and if it needs more salt and pepper, you can add it at this point. Slice your croissants in half and put your tops on the side. Put lots of the Spanakopita filling on one side of the croissant, and then top it with lots of mozzarella cheese. Bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes until everything is nice and toasted and the cheese is melted. And then for the last 3-4 minutes, you can warm the top of the croissants. Once the croissants come out of the oven, it's going to be hard to resist them, but let them cool for a little bit before you serve them. You can top them with the croissant tops that you sliced off before. Cut them in half and put them on a big board and serve these. These are delicious as is, but of course you could serve them with a nice green salad, some olives, more feta cheese on the side. So good. If you want to serve some tzatziki and marinara sauce so people can choose which kind of dipping sauce they want to serve with these, those are options too. I wish I could do the taste test, but I have to take pictures of these, you guys, but you're gonna have to trust me on this. Look at how cheesy they are. The croissants are buttery and toasted. This sandwich is addictive and your whole family is gonna love it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. You can print it out on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.